Okay. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hello, my dear Taurus. Okay? So, hello, my dear Taurus. Welcome back sa ating channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin today is ang iyong first 15 days of November. This is from November 1 hanggang November 15, 2025. And this is a general reading. So, reminder, paalala lamang po na ang gagawin natin today ay general reading. So, hindi po ito 100% na magre-resonate para sa ating lahat. So please, my dear, lower your expectation pagdating po sa mga general reading. And meron akong gusto sabihin, if you are not into this kind of thing, you are free to go, okay? But if you stay, it means that you are welcoming me into your life, okay? So, and sa mga gusto po ng private reading, okay, for those people, tama ba? For those energies na interesado sa ating private reading, maaari lamang po na magpunta sa description box down below, okay? Or kung napapanood po sa ating Facebook page, direct message na lang, okay? So let's go na tayo, my dear. Bakit may naka-reverse ako na card? Oh, may mga naka-reverse ako na card. Oh no. Oh yes. Ay. Anyway, kung may naka-reverse man nalalabas, i-reverse natin basahin. There's no problem with that. Okay. So, let's go na tayo, my dear. Taurus, start tayo sa iyong energy ng iyong money, career, hopes, and dreams. Okay? Money, career, hopes, and dreams. Taurus. Okay? We have here the Six of Swords, okay, and the Page of Cups, okay? Slowly but steady. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear. Slowly but steady, okay? This is the time, my dear, that you need to control your emotion, okay? Ang nakukuha ko dito, may movement sa area ng iyong kaperahan, ng iyong career, pero super slow nga lang talaga siya, my dear. Even though this is a sword card, malaking factor kasi, my dear, dito yung water, okay? Kung makikita mo sa kabilang side, maalon, sa kabila is kalmado. And water is representation of your emotion, okay? So, ibig sabihin, my dear, try to balance talaga, my dear, your emotion connected sa energy ng iyong kadatungan, okay? But sa energy ng Six of Swords, you're moving forward. So, expected mo, my dear, umuusad naman siya, pero yun nga lang, medyo mabagal siya, okay? Medyo super slow lang talaga, my dear, okay? So, let's go tayo sa area ng iyong connection. Sa area na to, my dear, family, friends, and relationship is welcome, okay? Depends on your scenario, kasi hindi naman lahat ng nanonood dito ay in a relationship, hindi naman lahat ay single, okay? So, it depends on your situation. Okay, this is the energy of the night, okay? Night is very slow, okay? So, for some of you, I think parang pinag-iisip, nandun kayo sa moment, may na pinag-iisipan ninyo if ipagpapatuloy pa ninyo yung connection or hindi. Parang gano'n, may mga connection, may mga relationship na parang pinag-iisipan ninyo kung bibigyan ko ba ito ng second chance, papapasukan ko ba sa buhay ko, yung parang mga ganon, okay? Pero for some of you, it's more on second chance, okay? It's more on second chance, darling, okay? So, yon. So, bibigyan ko ba siya ng second chance? Patatawarin ko pa ba siya? Papapasukin ko ba siya sa buhay ko? Yung mga ganon. Itutuloy ko ba itong relationship na to? Yung mga ganyan, okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko over here. Tingnan natin yung overall na energy mo, darling. Okay. Let me see. We have here the energy of the Ace of Cups, okay? This is your overall energy, and this is the energy of freedom, okay? You're getting there, my dear, okay? You're getting there. For some, may narinig lang ako. Sana hindi nyo narinig, okay? For some of you, is more on emotional, okay? More on emotional, okay? Kasi ang lumalabas, my dear, sa Ace of Cups, okay? Ang nakukuha ko dito madalas is more on parang, more on may nakabara sa emotion mo, may something. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, possibly for some of you is more on money, okay? For some of you is kaya siguro nagkakaroon ng problema sa usapin ng, I can feel na meron problem sa usapin ng relationship. I can feel, okay? Sa relationship connection, meron. And for some of you, kaya siguro nagkakaganon is because money issue, okay? May mga misunderstanding, hopefully walang away, okay? Because of money issue, okay? And for some of you is, I think, sa energy ng Ace of Cups, okay? Is more on parang you want to be free. Siguro, my dear, hindi mo nararamdaman that you are being guided, okay? Kasi makikita mo dyan, may turtle dove, okay? So, ang turtle dove kasi is representation of spirit wall, something na parang hindi mo nakikita. You are being guided na maging emotionally free, parang ganon, okay? Okay, dun muna tayo. Okay? Let me see, darling. Let me see. And my dear, sa kalagitnaan ng aking pag-edit, meron ako makukuha, my dear, na mga numbers, angel numbers, posibleng mga verses, okay, sa mga books or something, flowers, animals, something like that. And yun yung mga nagpa-pop up, my dear, dito sa ating screen, okay? And hindi ko na ipapaliwanag, my dear, kung ano yung ibig sabihin yan because your self, your spirit, okay, will find it for you, okay? Posibleng maging sign or something, it's based on yung ano, pero magagamit mo yung mga sign na yan, my dear, ngayong first 15 days of November, okay? Kasi may mga nagtatanong doon sa Scorpio na upload ko, ano yung mga sign na yan? Yung 444, something like that. My dear, yan yung mga nararamdaman ko or nakuha ko or na-pick up ko, my dear, na minsan may pangalan. Kagaya doon sa ano, may pangalan ako nilagay John, okay? So, bahala ka nang hanapin mo yan. Posibleng tao yun na related sa'yo na John or something. Basta yun na yun. Hirapan ako magpaliwanag. Okay, so let's go tayo, darling. Let me see. We have here the energy of the Knight of Wands, okay? Nasa area to ng career mo, my dear, ang energy ng Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is more on explore. Okay, explore, don't be afraid. Iakbang mo yung mga paa mo, dear, okay, sa area ng iyong career. Sabi ko nga kasi may movement over here. Alam mo, siguro for some of you is like, sa area ng career, kaya very limited yung moves is because of some trauma na may kinalaman sa career. Okay, yung mga failure, hindi nag-work yung ganito, yung ganyan. It's okay, darling, as long as nandito ka sa planet Earth. Ano daw? Planet Earth, okay, it is a part of your life. Ganun talaga siya, okay? Pero maganda to, my dear, sa energy ng iyong career kasi parang sinasabi na, sige lang, laban lang, go lang ng go, ganon. Whatever happened, di ba? And learn how to be, yung para bang explore, learn how to explore na parang you are not born na yan lang yung kaya mo. Ibig sabihin, you have a lot of things na kaya mong gawin and you have a lot of things na kaya mong i-offer sa world, okay? Sa mundo, okay? So let me see sa area ng connection. I love the Knight pagdating sa area ng ano. We have here the energy of the Seven of Swords. Okay, nasa area siya ng connection, energy ng love, and I don't like it. Every time na lumalabas ang Seven of Swords sa area ng love or area ng connection because ibig sabihin, parang may mga nararamdaman ka na may mga ginagawa yung mga tao sa iyo around you. Okay, meron mga something, may mga nangyayari something because this is the Seven of Swords. But I don't know, bakit nandun ka sa area na parang gusto mo pa rin bigyan ng second chance kahit na alam mo na deep inside your heart na merong ginagawang something, okay? Yung isang tao, yung isang energy, okay? So, ganun yung scenario niya, my dear. Yung giving a second chance or parang bibigyan ng hope or something kahit na alam mo may Seven of Swords na nangyayari. Okay, bakit alam mo may something of or something, may agenda yung tao na yun or something, parang ganon, okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dyan. But that is not nice, okay? Punta tayo sa area ng iyong heart. Area ng iyong heart. We have here the energy of, wow, and wow, double whammy, my dear. You have here, ilalagay ko to parehas, my dear, sa, pero ang una lumabas kasi is the Two of Swords, okay? Kumbaga parang bonus card na lang siguro tong, pero nasa area pa rin to ng heart, my dear, ha? We have here the Two of Swords over here. So, ang nakukuha ko dito is more on, una, may mga denial, my dear. Sabi ko nga, especially mag-work to, ayoko sabihin na mag-work lang to sa connection, sa love and relationship, family, but posibleng mag-work din to, my dear, sa area ng iyong career, na meron mga denial, na meron mga path na parang gusto mong tanggihan or ayaw mong tanggapin, na parang ino-offer na sa'yo, my dear, ng universe na, oy, Taurus, ito, o ganito, ganyan, ito ang gagawin mo, ito talaga yung tama. And then, nandun ka sa may moment na parang, teka lang, parang, hindi kasi ito yung gusto kong mangyari, hindi kasi ito yung nasa plano ko hindi talaga to. Guess what? Hindi lahat ng plano mo, my dear Taurus, ay masusunod, no? So, we have here the energy of the Three of Swords sa area. This is little bit, parang, I can feel na parang disappointment. May mga ganun, my dear. Okay, may mga ganun na energy. Wait, okay, let me just add more. And ang energy din pala, my dear, na Two of Swords is more on making decision. Okay, more on decision. Basta ang nakukuha ko lang dito, my dear, minsan meron ka mga plinano sa buhay mo. Meron ka mga pinipictures, meron ka mga nabivision or something na hindi talaga yun ang mangyayari or parang hindi talaga yun, yung expectation mo is hindi talaga yun magmamatch, okay? Kumbaga siguro parang nag-expect ka na habang buhay na kaming dalawa magsasama or habang buhay na kaming ganito ganyan, na magiging happy lang kami forever, yung mga ganyan, or magiging tagapagmana ako ng kumpanya. Guess what, bakla? Hindi ka magiging tagapagmana ng kumpanya. Ambisyosa. Okay, so let's go tayo. Hindi ako galit, nagkapaliwanag lang. Okay. Let's go. Like I said a while ago, if you will stay, you are allowing me to enter in your personal space, okay? So, what you see is what you get tayo dito. May walang sugar coating. Okay, let me see what is this. We have here the energy of the justice. My dear, maganda ang career mo. Okay, maganda ang career mo. It is just more, my dear, or meron ka siguro mga ini-expect na hindi, alam mo yung parang by this time nangyayari na to, by this time eto na siya, my dear, hindi kasi yung ganun eh. Hindi talaga yung ganun. And lately din kasi, my dear, na-realize ko rin na minsan, maski alam mo yung, ang hirap ipaliwanag itong part na to, kasi ako lang talaga nakakaintindi. Okay, I will try to explain it very, very properly, okay? Alam mo, my dear, yung parang pakiramdam mo na pag naabot mo na yung level ni Jinky Pacquiao, yung parang ganun, okay? Let us just example, Jinky Pacquiao, okay? Na akala mo, immune ka na sa lahat ng mga problema. Tapos pag nandun ka na sa level na yun, na parang, ay, ako na si Jinky Pacquiao, which is, di ba? Parang doon mo na realize na, ay, parang mas marami pa palang obligasyon dito. Parang mas gusto kong bumalik doon, na which is walang, parang ganun. Okay, I hope naintindihan nyo. Okay? Ganun din, my dear, sa energy ng relationship. Okay, we have here, speaking of relationship and connection, we have here the energy of the Four of Swords. I think, my dear, ang second half, first 15 days of October, nabanggit ko ang second half, so pwede rin mag-umpisa ito ng second half of November, although meron naman na akong upload na may kinalaman sa second half of November, pero nabanggit ko ang second half of November, so therefore, baka posibleng mag-umpisa din to sa second half of November, especially yung connection. Mabilis ba ako magsalita? This is the Four of Swords, my dear, okay? I think, for some of you, is kinakailangan ninyo ng space, okay? For some of you, is kinakailangan ninyo ng time para makapag-isip. For some of you, is kinakailangan ninyo ng mag-break muna, okay? Take a break, space, yung mga ganon. Rest muna, okay? Wag muna kayo magkita, yung mga ganyan, my dear. Mag-book ka muna ng flight, pupunta ng planet Saturn, okay? Magpa-circle-circle ka muna dun sa ring, okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko over here. You need some time, my dear, para makagawa ka ng tamang desisyon related sa energy ng connection. Kasi I can feel, my dear, na maliwanag na sa'yo by this time na there is something off sa energy ng connection. Kaso, ang problema dito kasi is parang mixed emotion nung yun nangyayari. Parang ganon. It's more on, you know na there is something off, there is something na mali, pero parang hindi, ang hirap mong kausap. Maghanap kang kausap. Yun na yan. Basta. Okay, so let's go na tayo, darling. Last 3 cards na lang tayo, my dear. Okay? And dami mong gusto sabihin. Sabihin ko sana, I hate to see you. I hate to go. I hate to leave. Pero I have to leave. Okay? Sa susunod na upload ulit. Okay? We have here the 8 of Swords. Okay? Sa energy ng 8 of Swords, this is energy of trap card, my dear. For some of you talaga, isa doon talaga kayo sa isang sitwasyon na hindi ninyo gusto sa usapin ng pinansyal. Meron talaga something off sa usapin ng pinansyal. You feel like it's off or something. Pero pakiramdam ko, my dear, based on the flow ng reading, it is more on the obligation. Ito na yung consequence ng gusto mong mangyari. Diba? For some of you, baka gusto niyo yung maging successful. Baka for some of you, gusto na ninyo maging mayaman. For some of you, well, sino ba mang ayaw maging mayaman, diba? Pero I think this is more on the obligation and responsibility na kadugtong doon sa minamanifest mo. So, ito na rin yung sinasabi ko, my dear, na minsan talaga dapat maging maliwanag sa atin kung ano yung mga magiging consequence, okay? Magiging consequence ng ating mga action. Yung parang ganun, okay? So, let me see, my dear. Last 2 cards tayo, darling, okay? Last 2 cards, let me see. We have here the energy of the Empress, okay? Empress is energy of love, okay? Nasa area ng connection. Ang masasabi ko lang dito, my dear, is more on, sabi ko nga sa area ng connection, family, friends, and relationship. Family, friends, and relationship is welcome sa area ng connection. And ang energy kasi ng Empress is more on growth and maturity, okay? So, sa relationship, sa family, sa friendship, okay, it's normal na hindi kayo parehas talagang 100, hindi kayo magiging perfect, di ba? Yung parang typical, talagang meron talaga mga disadvantage, sa mga ganun, may mga problema, meron maasim mo singit, meron mga ganyan, may mga ganun, okay, whatever, imperfection. Pero it's more on growth. It's more on growth, maturity, not just only for you, but for both party. Okay, growth, growth, acceptance, change, okay, for both party, my dear, A and B and C, parehas. Ang problema kasi, my dear, pag isa lang yung nag-grow sa loob ng relationship, connection, family, friends, okay, hindi ko lang kino-close ng relationship kasi hindi naman lahat kayo may jowa, yung iba sa inyo wala. Ang problema dun, my dear, isihilahin nung isa, pababa yung isa. Okay, and yun, I think yun ang nangyayari. Ihilahin nung isa, yung isa pababa. So, kinakailangan, para mag-work yung connection ninyong dalawa, kinakailangan ninyo ng space para for some of you, baka kinakailangan mo na ninyo mag-break. Kasi meron tayo dito 3 of Swords, okay? For some of you, and then after yun, pagkatapos ninyo mabagok at malaman ang mga pagkakamali ninyo sa bawat isa, and then baka together again, okay? Or baka kinakailangan ninyo ng space. Sabi ko nga kanina, space, 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 okay? Last card tayo, my dear. Last card, okay, meron tayong, we have here the energy of sword, energy of the 10 of sword. You feel like giving up. My dear, hindi magiging mabait ang first 15 days of November sa'yo, okay? Marami sa inyo ang makakaramdam na you feel like giving up. Marami sa inyo, my dear, ang parang ayaw na ipagpatuloy, my dear, kung ano yung mga bagay na yan. Pero, ang nakukuha ko lang dito, my dear, is more on making a decision and choice, okay? Parang, this is the time na kinakailangan mo na mamili. This is the time na parang kinakailangan mo na talagang gumawa ng fixed na decision. Hindi dahil sa nakikita mo sa social media, hindi dahil sa ginagawa ng karamihan. It is just more on kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung magiging very beneficial sa'yo. Okay, I hope naintindihan mo kasi yun talaga nararamdaman ko. Kung ano yung magiging beneficial sa'yo, kung ano yung, it's more on making choice na, it's more choice and acceptance na parang meron tayong mga bagay na plano natin sa isip natin na hindi siya mag-work according to plan, and it's more on making decision. Okay, fix decision. The Three of Pentacles, okay, bottom deck of the card. This is energy of collaboration, okay? So, tingnan mo, analyze mo kung ano yung mga bagay na nakakatulong sa'yo. Okay, tingnan mo. Hindi masama magtanggal ng mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo para mag-grow ka, para mag-move forward ka, my dear, okay? Pakitingnan yung paligid mo, pakitingnan yung bahay mo, pakitingnan yung paligid mo, my dear. Ano yung mga bagay na parang humihila sa'yo pababa? Okay, ano yun, okay? Nasa emotion mo ba yan? Nasa way of thinking mo ba yan? Nasa mga superstitious belief ba yan? Mga ganyan, okay? Ano yung bagay na parang nagkukos na mag-stuck ka? Kasi you are the zodiac sign talaga, my dear, na napakatigas talaga ng panga mo, na talagang ayaw mo talagang baguhin yung mga bagay-bagay na talaga nakaprogram na sa utak mo, okay? So, guess what? Nagbabago ang mundo araw-araw, my dear. So, therefore, you need to change. You need to adapt to changes, okay? You need to let go and you need to make some fixed decision, my dear. Ganon yon. Kasi hindi hihinto ang mundo para hintayin ka dahil hindi ka makapag-decide. Ganon lang naman yun, my dear. You just need to make decision making, okay? So, hindi po ako galit. Ganyan lang po talaga ako magpaliwanag para sa mga bago lang dito sa ating channel, okay? So, my dear, yan ang reading mo para sa yung first 15 days of November. Somehow, my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating reading, kahit na hindi mo nagustuhan, don't forget na mag-subscribe. Pag-click mo ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa lahat ng aking mga upload. Yung notification, click mo. And free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po, and until next time, bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.